how to reset app preferences on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, tap on the more button. And from the pop-up menu, we tap on reset app preferences. Then here they say that this will reset all your preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, defaults app, background data restrictions for apps, and permission restrictions. If you are sure, then tap on the reset button. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.